Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Sinhala online series. In today's episode, we will learn about the Sinhala subject pronouns. Let's go straight into it. Subject pronouns help us understand who is doing the action. The Sinhala subject pronouns are
මම,
I,
ඔයා,
you,
එයා,
he,
ඇය,
she,
ඒක,
it,
අපි,
we,
ඕගොල්ලෝ,
you, plural,
ඒගොල්ලෝ,
they.
මම, ඔයා, එයා, ඇය, ඒක, අපි, ඕගොල්ලෝ, ඒගොල්ලෝ. මම පිට්සවලට කැමතියි.
I like pizza. In this sentence, mama is the subject pronoun, representing the person who likes pizza.
ඔයා ගොඩක් පාඩම් කරනවා.
You study a lot. In this sentence, Oya is the subject pronoun, representing the person who studies a lot.
එයා මිත්‍රශීලී.
He is friendly.
ඇය ලස්සනයි.
She is beautiful.
ඒක හොඳයි.
It is good.
අපි ගෙදර යනවා.
We're going home.
ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනවා.
You speak English.
ඒගොල්ලෝ හොඳයි.
They are good.
මම ඔයා එයා ඇය ඒක අපි ඕගොල්ලෝ ඒගොල්ලෝ.
Were you able to memorize all the pronouns? If yes, let's see if you can recognize them in the following exercise. Well done. Now fill in the blanks to complete the phrases by using the correct subject pronouns.
ඒගොල්ලෝ හොඳයි. මම ඇමරිකන් ජාතිකයෙක්. එයා නරකයි. අපි යාළුවෝ. ඇය ලස්සනයි. ඔයා සිංහල පාඩම් කරනවා. ඕගොල්ලෝ හොඳට කතා කරනවා. ඒක හොඳයි.
Now, let's have a quick look at all the words you learned on today's episode. Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.